Hey, this is a quick video of the SunPie LED headlights, 7-inch projector for Jeep. This is the model number. It's a 7-inch round LED projector. Got it on here. Barely see it. I want to show the difference between the old one, which is a regular incandescent here, and the new one. Alright, so against the wall, there's the pattern. Okay, so I'm going to move this down so you see it come into frame. Boom! What? That is ridiculously... That's one headlight. Is easily equal to both of the headlights. Old, new hotness. That's against a black. What if I shine it over there? That's a piece of glass right there. It's basically reflecting the light downwards and stuff like that, but it's still great. Let's go against this white table. That's what it looks like. This is low beam. This is low beam. Not bad. Let's check out high beam real quick. All right, we'll go in here. We'll pop this up. Ooh, 3 more lumens out of that. Let's see what we got. There we go. Old, new. Holy. Oh, that's funny. That was a crazy difference. Crazy difference. Alright, let me go back. Check out the cutoff. Seems reasonably... It's not like super sharp. Do I have it upside down? I do have it upside down. There we go. Nope. No, it was right before. I think it was right before. Okay. Yeah, that top is... There we go. Okay. Here we go. Yeah. The little drop to the left is not quite super defined. I mean, I've seen it way better than that. My BMW, which follows the European standards, is like super sharp. It's a razor cutoff, but still, that's not a huge amount of light up above. If I shine it down, you can see that it's not. There's not a lot going on up top. So once I get this aimed correctly, this is not going to be a problem. And it's a crazy amount of light. All right, let's take a look at it. What's in the box? Comes with 2 of these. A little LED box. It's not a ballast. They call it, you know, it's a driver, LED driver, and then it also comes with an adapter. And conveniently comes with a few extra cables that you can use for the daytime running lights to splice in. Don't have those hooked up obviously, but this was just plug it into the box, plug it into the old thing. I got the old lights just kind of sitting there because I wanted to try it out and be able to turn it around and do stuff with it. So, all right, that is it.